So this is it here. People who goes out to events, birthdays and the rest, and they see all those cameramen that run around. Some person say I shouldn't call them cameramen, that everybody is a cameraman. But I feel like I like putting it this way, that people that are learned are free to call themselves photographers. So that's why I don't like mixing the names. So these guys that take pictures in events that run around to snap, and run to the printing machine, and they print it and they bring it back to the venue and they give to the client. People who snap pictures from these persons, when they want to start insulting photographers, they don't just insult those set of persons, they insult everybody entirely. Just like in business, where they say people are doing like this, they insult everybody in the business. This is my advice, please. If you go to those people and you snap picture and the picture comes out bad, when you want to start insulting, make it clear that this is how you took the picture, because some of you may have paid $150 for that picture, some of you may have paid $250 for that picture. Then you want to start insulting people that are taking thousands of naira for picture. You want to insult everybody together. Please make it clear so that we know that this person that you are insulting, this is how you were charged for the picture. So when we see it, we might just smile and let it go instead of now making issues out of these things. I don't know if you understand, but I'm saying it again. If you snap picture of 150, 200, 500, you don't even have the right to come to this internet and insult anybody. Yeah, you don't have the right to insult anybody. You don't have the right to talk to anybody anyhow, because it's your fault. Picture is expensive, but the one you snapped is very cheap. What are you expecting from something very, very cheap? Please, that's my time. See you in my next video.